Welcome back, guys, to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys an unboxing of the brand new iPhone 12. This particular model is 128 gigs. It was released in October of 23rd of this year. You can buy this through your provider. It just depends what provider you have, and through the Apple website. Here in Canada, it's currently $1,399 plus tax, and in the US, it's about $850. I'll put a link in the description from the Apple website. So I'm just gonna go through some specs real quick. So this phone comes in 5 different colors. It's black, white, blue, green, and red. It is a 5G phone. It's available, like I said, on all carriers. It weighs 164 grams and is 7.4 millimeters thick. Hence why the box is pretty small. The display is 6.1 inches. It has Super Renta OLED display. The resolution is 1170 by 2532, so that would be 460 ppi patrol. You have Gorilla Glass on the front and, of course, the back. It's an aluminum frame, and it's IP68 dust and water resistant. And for those of you that don't know what IP68 is, it could withstand dust, dirt, sand, and you can even put it into water up to 1.5 meters into the water for 30 minutes. All right, now we're going to move on to the processor. So this processor has an A14 Bionic Supersonic Titanium Uranium chipset. That almost got me tongue-tied. I don't know about you. Try to say that twice as fast. It has 4 gigabytes of RAM. Depends on the model. You can obviously get 64, 128, and 256. The model that I have is a 128 gigabyte. It's currently running iOS 14. It has a 2,815 milliamp battery, so it should last up to 17 hours standby and then 65 hours for music play, which is pretty good for an iPhone. And the fast charging is about 20 watts and 50% in 30 minutes, which is pretty impressive because I have an iPhone 8 and it takes forever for even just to get 50%. Also, there's a 15 watts for wireless charging, which is convenient as well. For the cameras now, for the back camera, it's 12 megapixels. It's a wide angle, and then a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle. This is a dual setup, which is great for taking photos, of course. And then the front camera is the selfie camera is at 12 megapixels as well. Both cameras, front and back, will let you shoot in 4K video, which is great. There's dual stereo speakers, Bluetooth 5.0, obviously face unlock, and then there's a micro SIM card, but you can also get an eSIM card as well. Things to consider, though. There is a missing headphone jack, like all the other newer iPhones, and there's also no fingerprint sensor. Another thing is the micro SD slot. There's no micro SD slot, so you can't expand your memory, which can be kind of frustrating. So make sure that you get the iPhone that you want with the most amount of storage that you think you're going to be using. Alright, so that's it for that. We are going to start opening the box right now. So let's start with this. Give me 1 second. Bring this over. All right. Like I said before, you can obviously see that the box is a lot thinner, which is great. Then the normal iPhones are usually much thicker than that. So it's pretty nice. All right, let's get to opening. All right. It's always satisfying to me. All right. So there's the phone itself right on top, which is nice. Nothing in here. So pop this out. Oh, pop this out. This is what you get. See, dual setup, like I said, and flash, of course, which is nice. Aluminum frame, which is convenient. All right. So satisfying to me. And there we go. There's that. So there's the phone. Let's put it to the side here. Also in the box is the SIM card, sticker, and a little manual. Put that to the side. And then here is the... Sorry about that, guys. I'm back here. My phone died and I just had to charge it real quick. And then now we're just gonna finish the video off. So here, as I was saying, is the USB-C charger to the lightning cable. And then that's all that's in the box. For whatever reason, Apple decided not to include a knob, which can be kind of annoying, but it is what it is. The phone itself is actually very nice. It's nice in the hand. Feels very nice. And it's pretty light and comfortable in the hand. Some accessories that I think would be useful is a tempered glass for the front of the phone. Of course, you don't want it to smash or break. And then also a phone case as well. I'm just going to put this phone into the case real quick. And just like that. It's very nice. And, of course, you're going to have to buy the knob. Or you can also just use any Apple or iPad, like Apple iPad or Apple iPhone charger, lightning charger. I think that's it for me. Thanks for watching. This is How to Tech Tips. Keep teching on.